Get in them quick.
You can shoot that too.
I know. I wait until they accumulate.
Isn't there a person behind you? Whoa!
I wasn't too worried about her. I ain't got good old ladies. Swag. Yeah. I leave Ashley in there for the whole time.
Hell yeah!
She just stays there.
God, she'd be so useless if you try to do this with the chainsaw chicks running around.
Well, there are other barrels to hide her in up here, but I just leave her there. Yeah.
Reload! Ah! Boom! Oh, right in the chest. Oh! The blood will fly. Oh, nice, nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Fuck you, bitch.
You sure there's nobody else? No! Oh!
Alright, I'm not going down there after.
I think you actually killed him.
Leon, obviously, Ashley's not hurt. She don't need no healing. Oh yeah, I did kill him because there's money down there. Okie dokie.
So you want me to do this part?
1, 2, 3. And down I go.
Oh, you oh, you would do that to me. Like, all this part right here, yeah, this shit's like all... Good! Like, this shit's actually pretty freaky, like, when you play it in, like, this...
This was not the ladder down.
We got time.
Coming up the other one.
Ah!
They're already up there! It's coming. Fuck!
I'm okay. It's all good. I did that. Stuff happens. Dodging the blades. I know. Ashley! I need a human shield!
Get her, me shield!
You know what? We should have saved that exploding thing for these people.
Damn! Ah!
Sorry.
God.
Yeah.
Fucking damn.
We got these. Yeah, I got this too. Go ahead, make my day. Alright, good, one's dead. Oh, come on! It's okay, I know what I'm sort of doing. Yeah, we got a ruby. And you have heart attack.
Yeah, thanks.
That's what I do.
Are you sure they're both dead?
Pretty sure.
Sweet.
I think there's a guy on here still.
You see his face when he hit the floor there? It was like, dude, look.
Why do I keep getting fucking parasites? God damn it. She's like, oh, nap time's over? Okay, cool. Here we go.
Oh, jeez. Wait, where's Ashley?
She'll be there soon.
Why didn't you push the top of the ladder? You know what, I should just fucking die.
Curious Pepsi.
It's a very flamboyant piece. There's a secret in here.
Was there?
Yeah, I don't know how to get to this.
Oh, Jesus!
Fuck you, crazy bitch!
That's not RE5. You can't do anything when you shoot them in the shoulder.
Well, she was in front of me, and then she wasn't, and then...
Oh God.
Why did you pick now to go crazy?
Because you were holding the thing too close, that's why.
Ah! At least Ashley's safe.
And you don't have to do the chainsaws. Oh, this game. Booth!
Yeah.
Oh! Ah! Nice. Jeez. About any... Yeah, burn them all! Oh, nice! There's like only 2 left that survived that. That's pretty good.
Don't you dare.
Yo, it dared. And it did.
Ah!
It's going for Ashley! Let it do it!
I should have done. Then we'd be here forever.
This is true. Oh, that's right, there was exploding barrels over there.
Ah.
Oh well. You're safe.
Can't leave Ashley behind. Yeah, I can. I reloaded my gun and she ducked in fear.
Oh, they weren't exploding barrels, they're just radio barrels. Down.
Bang.
Oh. Yeah, I forgot. Zombie U is, it takes place in London.
Oh, good.
Well, you're here in America, so it's okay. At least for another couple days. Week. Weak. You gotta go to the merchant?
Yep.
Oh, that's right. Have to face the big cheese.
The big cheese.
Still want that cheese sandwich. Eat that cartoon meat.
Maybe you said that cooked
I
No, you can't.
think you get the rifle here now.
Your rifle ammo.
I thought you did. Maybe you have to buy it.
You do.
Well, fuck that shit. It really does.
Rifle ammo.
Sell it all.
Thank you. What are you buying?
Damn it.
Oh well.
Well, you.
But the knife slipped out of your hand and hit the merchant.
Oh!
Ah.
Why, stranger?
I remember there was this little animated Flash cartoon years ago. Shortly after this game came out, and it was like a little like RE4 parody skits during this adventure. And then like at one point, like when the island's about to blow up, and everything like Ashley and Leon are, like riding away, and then like it goes back to the merchant. And he goes, stranger, and then the island blows up.
Oh.
Well, I mean, he's not really real. It's just a figment of Leon's imagination. Leon technically just finds all these guns.
Get on.
Oh yeah, this is the fun thing. We gotta aim to shoot the bastards. And she's like, yay! She's like, yes! So
I love their painful screams.
if only I could have those screams to lull me to sleep every night. Whoa!
Fuck you. For God's sake, come on. Shot at you like 3 times.
That chain is not your friend. Oh, you're good.
Yay! Now get up. Actually, you're not cold. I'm cold, but that could be from the loss of blood. Ooh.
Yay!
Yay! Well done.
I need to ride back.
God damn it. God damn it. Oh, no.
Yep.
I remember. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Shit!
Ah, she didn't make it.
She has like that much health left. What the fuck?
Fishing mail.
It's funny, actually, it's okay. As long as I didn't die.